Beekeepers around the world are warning that a crisis is brewing. A phenomenon dubbed colony collapse disorder has mysteriously emptied beehives in at least 35 states. And from Europe to South America, the bees are disappearing. In some areas of the country, up to 80% of the honeybees have vanished in as little as 6 months. And for such a small insect, the bee's disappearance could have colossal repercussions for humans. Honeybees pollinate nearly 100 of our most important crops: fruits and vegetables, nuts, seeds, even fibers like cotton. In the United States alone, the value of their services exceeds $15 billion. The vanishing bees have spurred the launch of a global investigation, with beekeepers and scientists racing against time to answer the question, why are the bees disappearing? Possible suspects include toxic pesticides, parasites, malnutrition, or even an AIDS-like virus sweeping through the insect world. Pressure mounts to find a solution before the planet's premier pollinator is gone for good. It's the end of an era. The tale is about to turn for the Druids of Lamar. Trouble comes first from their western frontier, as a rival pack challenges their border. A strong pack of 15 from Slough Creek to the north. The Druids respond, but their strength is diminished. Now they are only 9. The Sloughs can hear the Druids' weakness and attack. Though outnumbered, the Druids set out to meet them. The battle begins in confusion. The young Druids don't know what to do. Then the chief of the Sloughs takes charge, attacking the Druids' new leader. The Druids are on the run. The best they can do is escape with their lives.